Before we begin, we kindly ask for your attention to share a few important reminders to ensure everyone enjoys the performance. 1. Silence your devices. Please turn off or set your mobile phones and electronic devices to silent mode. This ensures there are no interruptions during the play. 2. No flash photography or video recording. For the safety and comfort of the performers and audience, flash photography and video recording are strictly prohibited. 3. Remain seated during the performance. To avoid distractions, we kindly ask everyone to remain seated throughout the duration of the play. Should you need to exit, please do so quietly and only during scene transitions. 4. Respect the performers. Let's give our performers the attention and respect they deserve for their hard work by refraining from talking or making noise during the performance. 5. Applause. Feel free to express your appreciation with applause at the appropriate moments. Your support means a lot to our cast and crew. Thank you for your cooperation. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Welcome. Tonight, we journey to the Philippines under Spanish colonial rule, where a young man named Crisostomo Ibarra returns home with dreams of progress and reform. But shadows of the past and the injustice of the present threaten to shatter his hope and ignite a fire of resistance. Based on the revolutionary novel by Jose Rizal, we present No Limit, Tamer.
I will build a future free from ignorance and fear.
Even though the world takes everything from me, my heart will remain so strong.
What matters most is to be favored with the Father, even if it means losing everything else.
The church controls more than the souls. We control the lives of the people.
The power over the people will ensure that no one dare defy me, not even Ibarra.
If we are about to change, it must be by the hands of the young, not the old, to fear progress.
My only wish is to see my sons again, even if it costs me my mind.
I will fight for the memories of my mother and brother, for the world has forgotten us. I did nothing wrong. Why must suffer for Christ? I did to win. The true battle is not against individuals, but a corrupt system that enslaves us all.
I'm honored to have you all here tonight. And for what occasion? Celebrate the return of our own Crisostomo Ibarra.
Oh, Crisostomo Ibarra. I hear it's quite a gentleman now.
Indeed, you must be. After all, you can take a man, doesn't it?
Everyone, a toast to Crisostomo!
It is good to see you all again. I miss the warmth of my grandma's people.
And surely, you miss someone in particular.
Our beloved Mary Ibarra.
Crisostomo Ibarra, you returned from Europe, I see. It seems they fill your head with all sorts of ideas over there. Dangerous fools.
I literally thought my love to be the same respect in that foreign country that they are in. My education has only given my desire to love the nation.
Education, you say? What good are these foreign ideas in our humble land? What our people need is the guidance of the church, not the ways of European intellectuals.
Oh, Padre Damaso, all
progress is possible in our country. The future of the Philippines lies in the hands of those who dare to hope for something better.
Such arrogance, Jack Ibarra. Do not forget your face. You may have studied in Europe, but you're still an Indian, just like the rest of them.
Father, knowledge is the keeper of better. Without it, our people will remain enslaved, not just by the sword, but by the hands.
We shall see how long your ideas last.
Calm down. Let's not argue such new situation. A toast for new beginnings!
Challenge? So you wish to raise revolutionaries, do you?
I wish to raise men and women who serve our country with honor and integrity.
But, Senor Ibarra, that glass pool isn't it? Then,
I do not wish to oppose the church. I want to provide a place for our children. Isn't it that what we all want? Our people prospers.
You speak as if you understand these people. They are ignorant. They are like children themselves. Foolish and incapable of understanding what's the best for them.
Perhaps they are. Because they have never been given the chance to learn.
let us not be hasty, Father. The young man's intentions are truly admirable, even if misguided. But he will learn in that time not all dreams are true.
Perhaps I can trust God.
What's your words? You may have studied in Europe, but you're still an Indio, just like the rest of them.
I will not forget my place, Father. My place is you, in my life, with my people. I will never turn my back. This school will be more than just a building. It will be a place where our children can learn, not only to read and write, but to think for themselves, to ask questions, and challenge the world around them.
I agree. A school like that would teach you everything, Senor Ibarra. Our children would have a different future beyond the fields.
San Diego has been waiting for you. Your father will be proud, Miss Osmo.
I do this in his memory, my God. This is my gift to now. To honor his name.
But not all dreams will be pursued. Some can bring great harm, especially when the challenge of the order has long been guided us.
I think education is important. With knowledge comes strength. I do not seek to challenge the church, but to help our people rise from ignorance.
But is it ignorance or is it obedience? We'll have them to think for themselves. But have you considered the failure? The people are not ready for such freedom.
How will they able to let the people who give them the chance?
Time will tell, Senor Ibarra. Time will tell.
No! You would never steal! I know you make kind-hearted mistake. What happened?
Your money is free. But I swear, Mother. I swear to you. They lie, Mother. They want to blame Christine for the death. And we were waiting the day. And Christine was punished because of this.
My poor boys. What have they done to you? We have so little. And still, they treat you like this?
I'm scared to go back, Cousin. But if they hurt me again,
No one will hurt you, Christine. Not while I'm here. I will speak to them. I will go to the church myself.
I didn't take anything. Please, sir, let me go. I want to go home.
You confess before you go anywhere, boy! Confess! Or the children never see you again!
Please, I swear, I did nothing wrong.
Confess! Or keep this up all night! You like your place, you little thief!
Enough! The boy has learned his lesson.
My boys! Where are you? Please! Come home! It's so late! They promised they would come home. They promised. But where are they? What's taking them so long?
I'm here. It's just me.
Where is your mother? Where is Christine? Nothing was in you. Nothing is in you.
I don't know, Mother. Crispin did. He never came out of the He never came out of the church.
They've taken him. They've taken him away from me.
something to do.
But they're saying he's also
Padre Damas. He was behind my father's son. He used his influence to destroy my father.
It's also the more you try to change things, the more they will resist.
The press, the government, they view what you represent. They see your idea as a threat to their control.
I expected resistance. But I did not think they would move completely against me.
You underestimate them, Senor Ibarra. Padre Damaso, Padre Salvi, they will not let build your school. They will not let build your school. They've already planted seeds of doubts in the minds of the people.
I will not back down. This is not just for me. This is for our family. For its future.
Listen to me. There's more at stake than you know. They have spies everywhere. They have been watching you, waiting for the right moment to strike. But you must be careful, or they will destroy you.
I cannot believe that such men hold so much power over our lives. How can we let them do this?
There's a storm coming, Senor. The people are restless. They suffer in silence. But one day they will rise again. But until that day, you must live. You are needed for what is to come.
I will not give up. Whatever happens, I will fight for this land.
Then,
for our future. People.
Then, know this. I will be there when the time comes. I will stand by you. Be vigilant, Senor Ibarra. We will meet again.
Until then, yes. Until then.
Your mother and I I love you. And you are not sure of that love.
You wanted also? My grandfather?
It was out of love, Maria Clara.
I will go to the convent, but not for you, but for the love that I lost.
Who's for the best?
Something's not right. You must be Ibarra. Shut up. We're coming for you.
What are you saying, Elias?
Father Sabi has spread lies, accusation of rebellions. They will arrest you. There's no time.
Crisostomo Ibarra, by order of the Gobernador General, you are under arrest by inciting rebellion against the crown.
Rebellion? I have done no such thing. I only seek the good future for our people. The future is not yours to give, Ibarra. It belongs to God. Those who speaks for him. You and your last madrigal. You hide behind the church, using it as your shield to keep people from darkness.
Enough! Arrest him!
This is the end. You have silenced the throne.
The fight is not over, Ibarra. I will not let them bury you.
They took you from me. I know they did. They took you and they hurt you. Why, God? Why must you punish me so? I am a mother. A mother who only wants to know her children. They will come back. Yes, they will come back. I will make their favorite dinner. Crispin will smile, and Basilio will tell me stories. Oh, how I miss their laughter. But they are gone! Gone! They took them from me! They took my heart and soul! How can I rather live without our children? I will find you, Basilio. I will find you, Christine. No one will keep us apart. Not the friars, not the mayor, not even God. Mother's love. You can let me slow now.
But you must leave. What shall I do? When I die, take my body and your mother's tomb. Gladly bury us there, burn us together. But why? Why burn you? So that's the flame of our suffering. May spark the fire of freedom for our people. The march we love is escape. It will take more than just words to breathe. It will take blood. Our daughter.
I will do as you ask. I will burn you both. And this land will know your pain!
Mother.
Remember this, the day will come when the fire of the past will rise again!
Wow! What a fantastic performance! A huge thank you to our incredibly talented cast for bringing this story to life tonight. Let's give them another round of applause as we welcome them back on the stage. Palakpakan po natin. First, please welcome back Juan Carlos David as Padre Damaso. IC Lasagna as Sisa. Blanca Galito as Doña Nicolina. Ernest Roy Aniela as Sosneto. Emmanuel Vergosa as Crispir. Nathaniel Diamond as Sabi San Mayor. Leon Marquez as Padre Sabi. Nat Marino as Teniente Ibarra. Mariela Cochano as Tia Isabel. Christine Joy Gawat as Sister Linda Convent. Nathaniel Ramos as Townsman 1. Jovan Alvindereno as Townsman 2. Peter Angelo Benaventura as Elias. Francis Gayongo as Maria Clara. None of this would be possible without the amazing work of our incredible production team. Please join in me in thanking first our makeup artists, Leslie Rivera and Justin Cooper. With our lights and sound and design, Sandara Valley, Leslie Nibuha, Charmaine Nabatida, Lorraine Rivera. Our wardrobe head and assistant director, Jacob Rojas. And our technical and overall director, Mr. Justin